Hi there, you guess what? It's exactly 107 right now. Absolutely, रात की बात हो रही, midnight, bro. I was actually doing the lecture, how to sell books on Amazon, so that then my alarm turns up, and I saw that there is, ये जो प्राइस है जिधर हम लोग यहाँ पे सुबह यहाँ पे सेल करने वाले थे, वही प्राइस यहाँ पे आके ब्रेकआउट दे दिया है, एंड नाउ इट्स गोइंग इनटू आवर फेवर, एंड यस वी हैव टुक दिस ट्रेड, यस दिस वन ट्रेड एंड another trade is this. So we are targeting 1:2. Will not be more greedy in this. So yes, while we do our rest of the things, we're also focusing on the trades. And yeah, क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं रात के, because मेरे को नींद नहीं आ रही है, तो why to waste time? Let's wake up and do all the things which will make me money. Signing off. Everything is works on money. Hello Rohit. Hey there, it's exactly 10:15 right now and we are heading to office. So guess what? The trades we have taken yesterday night, that means midnight, all three trades goes in loss. Then I analyze it exactly the way I should, and then I got to know that some silly mistake, just because of silly mistake, very silly mistake, I lose minus $30. So guess what, we're down by $30. Now we only have almost of 66 dollars. I mean, it's not $30, it's something 30 to $34 we lost. So our now balance losing for account is only $66 is remaining for losing a challenge account. So this is it, it's getting more challenging, but I believe that we can come out from this zone. So this is what it is. Thak gaya main. Signing off. Good morning. Hey there, so trade update. Let's go to trade. So we took a trade, once the train line broke and rest of the things. I have a lot of confirmations to take this trade. So now it's going in profit. I took this trade in the afternoon and guess it is going in profit. So second, I wanted to update you that the trades which you have taken yesterday night, with the three trades we have taken, I lost that all the trades, and total we have lost almost $34. So this one trade we are actually taking, it is actually risking, we risk $8, and now we are in exactly in $21 on. So we're waiting for it to give, now it's going to go very. So now the target is like 1:9 for this. So now we have risk almost of $8. We'll be getting almost of $90 or 80 to 90, in range of 80 to 90. So this is what our target is. So this is what we are going to go for. Now I'm thinking to work on my business, because that is my main thing. So this is what it's signing off. Enjoy. Hi there. Actually, I was doing trading study and trading goal trading study. I was struggling to find the strategy. I found it. I got it. Found a strategy which is actually working. I'm earning profit from it. नाउ क्वेश्चन में करूँ क्या मैं, ट्रेडिंग का जो मतलब गोल था वो ऑलमोस्ट अचीव हो गया है. जस्ट नीड टू द थिंग्स रिपीटेडली, जो भी कर रहा हूँ, यूजिंग द स्ट्रेटजी, वेटिंग एंड देन अगेन सेटअप मैच. अब क्या करूँ मैं, खाली मतलब मैं वो कर रहा था ट्रेडिंग का स्ट्रगल एंड रिस्ट ऑफ द थिंग हो गया, अचीव हो. नाउ व्हाट, बहुत खाली लग रहा है. तो आई स्टार्टेड नाउ दैट इज choosing running on. Now I actually started to think about in my modify the strategy. Losses are holding, how we can reduce the losses, and how can, and also this is not in any viable, because yes, we haven't on single penny enough, just challenge amount haven't covered no bank balance. So still I was just wanted to record that yes, sleep on आया था मेरे, गोल था, गोल अचीव हो गया. Now what? So yeah, I'm feeling the same. Now what? So I am the answer is for that I am starting the using and modify strategy, where we actually earn the bit rather than loss, get the kick.